Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable a device in Device Manager on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to just type in Device Manager into it. Best match should say Device Manager directly above Control Panel. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. Now at this point you want to locate whatever category your drive that was disabled is. So let's say we're going to go down to our network adapters here. I just expanded the view. Now in order to enable this, I'm going to just right click on the adapter one time, and then I'm going to left click on properties here. Now I'm going to left click on the driver tab up here, the top, and then I'm going to left click on enable device. And then once you've done that, you can just left click on OK. I would recommend closing out Device Manager at this time, restart your computer just to be safe, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.